I want you to meet a spectacular guy. This is Mel. His impound number is 129-3207. And Mel is a 3-year-old neutered male Catahoula Rottweiler mix who came into the East Valley shelter on April 10th as a stray. And what makes it very odd is he had been adopted out just a few days before that by somebody, and then he got out and he brought it here as a stray, and the people decided never to come and get their dog. Mel weighs a sensational 67 friendly pounds. He loves people. He walks very well on leash, and he gives terrific kisses, as you can see. The introverted gene did not hit this dog. He just has lots of enthusiasm, and he's just a very well socialized guy. He's going to make a happy indoor pet for a family living in a private home. We think of the world of him. We'd like him even better if he was out of here as fast as possible. So please come and get him. If you need some love in your life, you need Mel. Here he is, available for adoption from your good friends at the East Valley Shelter.